Hey, this is Dave with Custom Dynamics. Today we're talking about our dynamic lower fairing inserts. So this is a stock piece that comes on your lowers. It may look like this, or you may have a honeycomb shape to it. And what we have here is our insert with our chip on board LEDs that go around all 360 degrees to give you a nice, very discreet look, very smooth pattern. And what happens with this is it just snaps in place. You run your wiring up through. There's no drilling or anything like that. All plug and play installation. This is a wiring harness you get. So these two pieces plug together. You get one connector, set of connectors that go up to your turn signals and another to your auxiliary port that's up here in your fairing. So again, very simple installation. It's got a lifetime warranty. And it's very bright, gives you a lot more frontal visibility. So here are the white LEDs, again, chip on board, so it looks like a complete ring, 360 degrees. Those LEDs are spaced very close together. And then when you hit your turn signal, you get a full contrast turn signal. That white DRL is going to shut off and remain off for the full cycle of the turn signal. So now we have an additional amber turn signal up front for added visibility. When I turn my turn signal off, the white DRL is going to pop back on. Again, our dynamic lower fairing inserts from Custom Dynamics.